Imagine crashing onto a strange alien planet with nothing but a pickaxe and your own ingenuity. This is the heart of Factorio, a game where you transform a desolate wilderness into a sprawling industrial empire. You start by hand mining coal and stone, but soon you are building steam engines and assembly lines. There is a deep sense of wonder as you place your first machines and realize that you no longer have to do the heavy lifting yourself. Before we start, are you excited to play Factorio? Tell me in the comments, like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday. As your base expands, the true magic of automation begins to take hold. You will design intricate networks of belts that carry ores to massive furnaces, turning raw materials into steel and electronic circuits. The game feels like a giant, living puzzle where every piece you add makes the whole system more powerful. Watching hundreds of little robotic arms moving in perfect rhythm is incredibly satisfying and keeps you hooked for many hours. Building a massive factory is not without its challenges, as the local alien wildlife does not appreciate the pollution you create. You must balance your industrial growth with clever defenses, like thick walls and automated turret systems. This adds a layer of tension and excitement to the gameplay. You aren't just a builder, you are a survivor protecting your life's work. Every breakthrough in technology feels like a hard-earned victory. The complexity grows as you unlock chemical plants and oil refineries to produce advanced fuels and plastics. You will eventually manage massive trains that roar across the landscape, transporting goods from distant outposts back to your central hub. It is a constant cycle of identifying a problem, designing a clever solution, and then watching your efficiency soar. This rewarding loop is exactly why players find the experience so deeply addictive. In the final stages, your goal is to launch a rocket into space, which requires a massive amount of resources and planning. Reaching this milestone is an epic conclusion to your journey from a lone survivor to a master of industry. Factorio is a brilliant celebration of human creativity and the joy of seeing a complex plan come together perfectly. Like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday.